This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 303RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 34 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, oven, Slideout, awning, refrigerator, smoke detector, microwave, LP detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 303RL is 8,750 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.